It's called Basic Aid Training. It's a program that the American Red Cross had that teaches elementary students how to stay safe when they're at home or if they're out in Boy Scouts, Girl Scouts, or at school.
In this class, we learned how to do CPR, and we also learned about fire safety and poison control.
A lot of students are at home alone, or they are babysitting their brothers or sisters or family members, and in case of an emergency, I want them to know how to call 911. I want them to know the correct way to talk to the operators, when to hang up, when not to hang up, and how to follow the directions that they're given. And then in case help is delayed, they know how to give that help because they've been trained.